The EPA states that indoor air is often 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Indoor air pollution is divided into 3 types. Air filters only capture one type, particulates. That leaves the other 2 untreated. Biological contaminants include mold, bacteria, and viruses. Chemical contaminants called VOCs cause odors and are potentially toxic. For the best indoor air quality, you need APCO X, the whole house air treatment system. APCO X works continuously in the central air system, where it purifies all the air in the home or office. As the air is circulated, contaminants are treated by the APCO X system. APCO X features lifetime evercarbon cells, which capture and neutralize odor-causing VOCs when energized by UVC light. What remains is harmless water vapor and carbon dioxide, which are released back into the air. Mold, bacteria, and viruses are sterilized by the UVC light, which destroys their DNA, preventing them from reproducing. Evercarbon cells are self-cleaning, and the system is virtually maintenance-free. The UVC light also keeps the coil and drain pan disinfected. It's safe, effective, and produces no harmful ozone. For the healthiest indoor air, choose APCO X from Fresh-Aire UV.